Alright, this is Wayne with Thousand Oaks Home Theater. I'm going to show you how to download the RTI Panel App so you can control your system with an iPad or an iPhone. First thing you want to do is open up your App Store and go down to the search down in the lower right hand corner and type in RTI. It should come up. It's the second one down, it says RTI Panel. Select that. And it's this one that says RTI Panel with the purple around the house. Mine already says open because I've already got the app on my phone, but once you've downloaded it, you're going to go ahead and open that. Should get a screen like this. You're going to tap on Get Started. You should see something come up on your local network. You got to be on your Wi-Fi to see this, and right there where it says XP3, yours might say XP6 or XP8, something like that. But you're going to tap on that, and then you'll see here it'll say iPhone, maybe iPad if you're using an iPad. You go ahead and select that device, and it's going to download it, and that's it. You're good to go. Everybody's interface may look a little different.